Introducing the 250cc Hawk Enduro dirt bike, fully street legal. We could ship them all across the entire USA, nationwide shipping. It is 4-stroke. We have them in red, black, and blue. It's a 2-seater. Again, fully street legal, cruises up to 80, 85 miles, 90 miles per hour. Give us a call today, saferwholesale.com, 866-606-3991. It's 4-stroke, so the motor is not loud. It's running right now. Got your gas gauge, your odometer, your mirrors, brake lights, tail lights, headlights, high beam, low beam. Give us a call today, saferwholesale.com, 866-606-3991. Disc brakes in the front. 4-stroke motor, 250 cc's of power. Fully street legal. Disc brakes in the back as well. Very knobby tires on and off-road applications. Again, saferwholesale.com, 866-606-3991. Give us a call today. We can ship nationwide. Many different colors in stock now. Call us today, saferwholesale.com, 866-606-3991.